Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use coupons on OfferUp. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are wondering how to use this coupons feature on OfferUp. Now, I've been trying to experiment with this just because this is a new feature for me. And the way this works is that you're going to see a bunch of different restaurants here in which they have coupons for. So for example, Gentle Dental Vegas, here they have a $29 exam x-ray new patient special. So if you click on this here and then click on use coupon, you'll see that this coupon needs to be redeemed at Valpak. Okay, you'll get the coupon ID. And right now, I'm not sure if this works or not, but what I essentially did was that instead of actually redeeming an offer, I went on the App Store and found Valpak, which is the same exact thing as Valpak, which is giving the coupon ID right over here. So once you install Valpak, you'll actually see the same coupons right here. So here's Gentle Dental. Now if we click on more offers, this is the Valpak application here, and you can see that there is the same exact deal that we just saw on OfferUp. If we click on use coupon, now we'll actually go ahead and get the same coupon ID. So with that, you could actually click on pay, and this will retrieve the coupon that's on Valpak. Now with that, you could actually go ahead and give them the coupon ID and see if it works. But this is about the extent of how far I've seen in which using coupons on OfferUp works, and it's through this app called Valpak. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use these coupons. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.